Hey guys, it's Brandy here again, working on this Kubota diesel. Worked on her quite a bit last night. Got the cradle in. These are those motor mount rails that I was telling you guys about. Got all them bolted in. See what I was talking about, the jack shaft? And I had to move it over a little bit because there's an oil drain plug under here. Let's see if I can turn this around. Got the radiator mounted last night. Pretty tight fit right in here. It's the fan wires. See if we turn it a little bit more. And that's how it's set up on the back. I figured I'd get it all set up on the workbench, and then when it's time, I'll pull it apart, stick it in the bobcat, and see how that goes. She's looking pretty good. Thank you guys. Bye.